Dreaming of a Sephora splurge but want to spread out the beauty? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Klarna for your Sephora purchases, both online and in-store. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Sephora is a premier Klarna partner, making it easy to get your favorite makeup, skincare, and fragrance without the financial pressure. For online purchases, shop directly on Sephora.com or through the Sephora app. When you're ready, proceed to checkout and select Klarna as your payment method. You'll see the 4 interest-free installment amounts before you confirm. You can also shop through the Klarna app. Just search for Sephora in the Shopping tab and you'll be directed to their site within the Klarna browser for a fully integrated experience. For in-store purchases at any Sephora location, the easiest way is to use your physical Klarna Visa card at the register. It works just like any other card, and the purchase amount will be split into 4 automatic payments. A crucial pro tip: keep an eye out for special promotions. Sephora and Klarna occasionally partner on exclusive offers, like bonus beauty points or special gift with purchase deals when you check out with Klarna. And just like that, you can build your perfect beauty routine with manageable payments. Klarna makes it easy to invest in the products you love. What Sephora product is at the top of your wish list to buy with Klarna? Tell us in the comments. For a unique feature, watch our next video on how to apply Klarna on physical receipts. Thanks for watching.